Hello friends, my name is Aditya Shankarrao Deshmukh. I am studying in B.SC second year in Adarsh College Hingoli. Today I am going to explain some concepts of differential equation, which is non-homogeneous differential equation. Whenever the equation is in the form dy by dx equals to ax plus by plus c divided by a prime x plus b prime y plus c prime, then we said this equation is in the form of non-homogeneous differential equation. Let us discuss how to solve such a differential equation. When we find the given equation is in the form of non-homogeneous differential equation, we should put x equals to x prime plus h and y equals to y prime plus k. Where h and k are constants, then the equation becomes dy by dx equals to ax prime plus by prime plus ah plus bk plus c divided by a prime x plus b prime y plus a prime h plus b prime k plus c prime. If we have to determine value of h and k, then ah plus bk plus c equals to 0 and a prime h plus b prime k plus c prime equals to 0, then the equation 1 reduced to dy by dx equals to ax prime plus by prime divided by a prime into x prime plus b prime into y prime, which is homogeneous equation in x prime and y prime. Therefore, it is soluble by substituting y prime equals to v into x prime. If solution of equation 2 is function of x prime and y prime equals to 0, then the solution of equation 1 is function of x minus h and y minus k equals to 0. Is this method applicable to all conditions? Let us check. When a by b equals to a prime by b prime, then this method fails. In such condition, we should suppose a by a prime equals to b by b prime equals to 1 by m. Then it implies that a prime equals to am and b prime equals to bm. Therefore, equation 1 reduced to dy by dx equals to ax plus by plus c divided by m into ax plus by bracket close plus c. By putting ax plus by equals to v, we arrive at dv by dx equals to a plus b into v plus c divided by mv plus c, in which we can separate the equation and obtain the solution. Let us take one example for clearance. Here we have example 3y minus 7x plus 7 into dx plus 7y minus 3x plus 3 into dy equals to 0. Initially, we have to convert the given example into form of non-homogeneous equation, which is dy by dx equals to minus 3y minus 7x plus 7 divided by 3y minus 3x plus 3. Now put x equals to x prime plus h and y equals to y prime plus k. We get dy prime by dx prime equals to 7x prime minus 3y prime plus 7h minus 3k minus 7 divided by 7y prime minus 3x prime plus 7k minus 3h plus 3. We have to put 7h minus 3k minus 7 equals to 0, which is equation 1, and 7k minus 3k plus 3 equals to 0, which is equation number 2. Here the equation 1 and 2 are simultaneous linear equations which can be solvable. On solving this, we get h equals to 1 and k equals to 2. Now the equation is reduced to dy prime by dx prime equals to 7x prime minus 3y prime divided by 7y prime minus 3x prime. Now the equation become homogeneous in x prime and y prime. Now put y prime equals to v into x prime. We get dy prime by dx prime equals to v plus x prime into dv by dx prime. We get 7x prime minus 3vx prime divided by 7vx prime minus 3x prime equals to v plus x prime into dv by dx prime. Here x prime get cancelled. We get 7 minus 3v divided by 7v minus 3 equals to v plus x prime dv divided by dx prime. Here the v in the right hand side will get into left hand side with negative sign. We get 7 minus 3v divided by 7v minus 3 minus v equals to x prime into dv by dx prime. On taking LCM and solving, we get 7 into whole bracket 1 minus v square divided by 7v minus 3 equals to x prime into dv by dx prime. Here the equation can be in the form of variable separable method. Now separating variables with their integrations, we get 7 into 1 minus v square divided by 7v minus 3 equals to x prime dv by dx prime. On separating, we get 7v minus 3 into dv divided by 1 minus v square equals to 7 into dx prime by x prime. But on partial fractioning of 7v minus 3 divided by 1 minus v square, we get 2 by 1 minus v minus 5 by 1 plus v. So above equation can be written as 2 into dv divided by 1 minus v minus 5 dv by 1 plus v equals to 7 into dx prime by x prime. Now integrating on both sides, we get our solution. Log c plus integration of 2 dv by 1 minus v minus integration of 5 dv plus 5 dv divided by 1 plus v equals to integration of v to dx prime by x prime. Log c minus 2 log of 1 minus v minus 5 log of 1 plus v equals to 7 log x prime, which on converting we get log c equals to log of x prime raised to 7 into 1 minus v whole square into 1 plus v raised to 5. Cancelling log on both sides, we get c equals to x prime raised to 7 into 1 minus v whole square into 1 plus v raised to 5. Now let us put the value of v. We get c equals to x prime raised to 7 into 1 minus v prime y prime by x prime raised to 2 into 1 plus y prime by x prime raised to 5, which on simplifying we get x minus y prime raised to 2 into x prime plus y prime raised to 5 equals to c. Here we are at our last stage of solution. Put x prime equals to x minus 1 and y prime equals to 1, which comes from equation 3 and 4. Here our solution is x minus y minus 1 whole square into x plus y minus 1 raised to 5 equals to c. Here is our required solution. Thank you friends for watching this video, and especially to Hatkar sir to give me opportunity to perform this task. Thank you.